Hi, welcome to Alan Zhong Idea Art. Today, I would like to demonstrate how to get a high score in SPM Art Exam. Please look at the screen. This is a 2023 Secondary 5 SPM Art question. Question number 3. Giant snake destroyed the city. Let us view the question. Seekor ular raksasa menyerang sebuah bandaraya dan mengakibatkan kemusnahan harta benda. Api menyebu keluar dari mulutnya dan menyebabkan kebakaran. Gambarkan situasi tersebut dari jarak dekat dengan memberi penekanan kepada aksi, ruang, bentuk dan jalinan. Two things always remember when you are coloring: shape and texture. Shape. How to make the object three-dimensional look. It all depends from mixing the color. Developing tone. Tonal value are the gradation of tone from light to dark color. Blending light and shadows is an essential technique will help you make the shape more 3D. Color contrast. In this painting, I will use the difference in color between object, giant snake and background. Color contrast will make the object stand out. It can easily get contrast from warm and cool color family. Example, light yellow, orange brown and yellow green as foreground color and dark color as a background. This kind of color will create an impact mood in an artwork. Texture. The texture is one of the important techniques to make the painting more realistic. Example, the giant snake skin, building and fire burning. All this texture, look and feel, it will make the painting lively. done the painting. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. For those still not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please click it now. I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment. Give me your suggestion. Goodbye. See you again.